Hi guys, we are back once again and welcome to DeFi Hustler. If you've never seen me before or you have, all I do is basically talk about stuff that I invest in. I take opportunity to invest. As you all know, it's all a gamble, but it's a great gamble. And this is going to be a very good gamble because I am sure it's going to pay off very, very well. And already people have already started to receive what I believe is some of these finished contracts, which is unbelievable. Now, the platform I'm talking about is called Bytnex, and it used to be called Cryptex, but now it's called Bytnex. I don't go on, I don't do a lot of YouTube anymore, guys. I do other things in my life, which is far more important. But what I do is I'm just showing you my journey. So sit back, have a cup of tea, have a cup of coffee, or some water, and yeah, just relax, and I'll explain what I'm going about. So I'm explain what I'm about to say today. So there was service down at the a few days ago, uh, and then a few days ago it says attention maintenance database update. Work has been completed. Please note that the system will be fully available with all the functions in approximately 3 to 4 hours. All the servers will be synchronized. Okay. Payouts have already been requested. Deposits may take another 3 or 4 hours before they are available. Okay. This is from the Bytnex team. This is boards which I just follow on the Bytnex and Cryptex stuff. So I just follow these guys because I know everything. What they say is always on point. And the site is back up, like I said, 4 days ago. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is what it is. As you know, guys, I'm in a 3-year contract. I've already been in it for nearly a year, over a year now. And so far, it's done absolutely fantastic. My loan, I'm mistaken, is over 453,000. Overall, total stake balance would be 551,000. Currently, my profit is 98,000. Okay. And if I go down here, I can see here profits locked with my referral rewards referral staking over 207,000, and obviously that's on. I'm up to 305,000, and everything is doing what it should be doing, guys. All the information here, you can read all the here as well, and you can go to the news. You've got all the key stuff here, guys. It's really simple. You can see here on my contracts. This is it, my contracts, and I've got obviously a 3-year one, and it's active state balance DeFi 24. I'm not too sure why that says that, but I've got 3-year, as you can see here, 15 contracts at 3 years, which is really good. And to get your contract, it's all you have to do is deposit. It's in Bitcoin, so just go to deposit. I've done many videos, so you can check the videos if you want to have a look. And then come to here, apply for a DeFi hybrid contract. And then you can see here, you've got, and it's minimum 100, guys, $100, which is absolutely nothing these days for most people. I spend nearly over $100 a day. So yeah, $100 is not much these days, guys, you know. But you can make about 25,000 in 2 years off $100. I mean, it's amazing, right? If you got a new 2-year contract, that's 1,000, and you get 15 contracts. That's really good. And then you can do the same again for the 36 month, 60 month, and 84 month. So it's entirely up to you. Okay, and then you just invest, start your staking, and then you just so you pick which one you want. Now that one, whatever you want, and then continue to invest. It's that easy, guys. Simple as that. It's super easy, guys. Like I say, I've got loads of videos so you can go and have a look. All the stuff here, guys. This is a really good video to watch, and it explains how the contracts are worked on the blockchain. So I would recommend to watch this because it is very good. But yeah, guys, it's doing everything it should be doing. On that note, yep, like I say, guys, I'll probably just update every other month. I don't really do much videos anymore. I don't really do a lot of stuff now. I've got other things in my business, in my life at the moment, which are far more important than going on YouTube. I try to do as much as I can, guys, but you know, I've just got other things in my life. On that note, guys, listen, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. And if you do watch it or whatever, I really do appreciate it. On that note, you have a great day. God bless you all, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye for now.